Welcome. In this short video, I will show the easiest ways to enter and edit data in Excel and how to use the fill handle to work much faster. I am using the Excel 365 free online version, so everything you see will match that workspace. To put data into a sheet, click a cell like A1 and start typing. When you finish, press Enter to move down one cell or press Tab to move one cell to the right. That small change in habit saves a lot of time when you are entering many rows. If you need to change what you already typed, double-click the cell to place the cursor inside its text and edit directly. Another option is to single-click the cell and make changes in the formula bar above the grid. If you want to replace everything in a cell, just click it and type. The old content will be overwritten. You will also add or remove rows and columns as your sheet grows. To insert a row or column, right-click the row number or column letter where you want the new space and choose Insert from the menu. For rows, you can add above or below. For columns, you can add left or right. To remove a row or column, right-click its header and choose Delete. Be careful when deleting, because the data in that entire row or column will be removed. The fill handle is one of the fastest shortcuts in Excel. It is the tiny square in the bottom right corner of the active cell or selected range. When you move your mouse over it, the cursor changes, and you can click and drag to copy or extend data across cells. To copy simple content, type the value you want, select the cell, then click and drag the fill handle, the fin plus sign at the bottom left side, across the cells where you want the same value repeated. The original content will fill every cell you drag over, which is much quicker than copying and pasting. The fill handle can also continue patterns. For a numbered sequence, enter the first two numbers so Excel can see the pattern. Select both cells and drag the fill handle down. Excel will continue the sequence for you. For dates, days, or months, type a starting value such as 1025, Monday or January. Select 3 cells by holding Shift. Then drag the fill handle, and Excel will fill the following dates, days, or months automatically. You have now learned the basic ways to enter and edit data, insert or delete rows and columns, and use the fill handle to copy values or create logical series. These simple skills are a big step toward working faster in Excel. In the next video, we will use these same techniques to apply quick visual formatting to your data. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment telling me what problem you want me to solve in the next video. Take care and bye.